Tired of seeing potential sales slip away because your Shopify store isn't quite set up for prime time? Let's dive straight into the essential Shopify setup steps that'll transform your store from a leaky bucket to a well-oiled selling machine. Starting with shipping, click Settings in the bottom left corner of your Shopify admin, then select Shipping and Delivery. Here, you'll define your shipping zones, basically where you ship to. Think domestic, international, specific countries. Then set your shipping rates. You can offer free shipping over a certain order value, charge flat rates, or even use calculated rates based on the weight of the order and the customer's location. Accurate shipping costs are vital for customer satisfaction. Next up, taxes. Navigate back to Settings and click on Taxes and Duties. Shopify can automatically calculate taxes based on location, but it's crucial to review and confirm these settings to ensure you're compliant with local regulations. Nobody wants a tax audit surprise. Finally, let's get paid. Go back to Settings and select Payments. This is where you connect your preferred payment providers like Shopify Payments, PayPal, or other third-party gateways. Activating multiple payment options makes it super convenient for your customers to give you their money. And that's it. Properly configuring your shipping, taxes, and payment options sets the stage for a seamless shopping experience, turning those potential customers into loyal fans and boosting your bottom line.